Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to explore how to integrate n8n with Arduino to automate cool projects. I'm Mori, welcome to Electro Hobbyist. Don't forget to subscribe for more exciting projects. In this video, I will show you how to control an Arduino LED from Telegram using n8n and Python. We will send a message on Telegram. n8n will receive it and send an HTTP request to a Python Flask server, and the Arduino will turn the LED on or off. We have this workflow. Telegram trigger listens for the messages from the Telegram. Set action node extracts on or off command from the message. HTTP request sends an HTTP request to Python Flask server, and Telegram confirmation, it sends a confirmation reply to the user as feedback. If you'd like to access this workflow, you can easily download the JSON file from my GitHub. In Arduino code, we use pin 13 for the LED. We start serial communication with serial.begin. Arduino is always listening. If it receives character 1, LED turns on. If it receives character 0, LED turns off. This means Python only needs to send one character through USB to control the LED. This Python code creates a mini web server. It waits for a request. If action is on, send character 1 to Arduino. If action is off, send character 0 to Arduino. This is exactly what n8n will do. Make sure to change the COM port in the Python code to match the one you selected in the Arduino IDE. For example, in my code, I use COM 59, but on your computer, it might be COM 3, 4, or something different. After uploading the code to Arduino and running the Python code, you should copy this IP. You should copy this IP and paste in the HTTP request node in n8n. Request node in n8n. Don't forget that all the codes are available on my GitHub and you can easily download them. Link is in the description. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. And in the next video, we will control Arduino with voice using Telegram and AI.